Well, hello, beauty CEOs. We are going to jump right into it. I promised you that I would come back and record the online workshop we did about posting and um, snipping and creating content for yourself, and also using content that has been provided by the company. So we're going to go ahead and jump to my screen here, and so that you can see everything I'm doing. So anyway, one of the things that you will want to consider is allowing Color Me Beautiful to market, and Floyd Roberts, for us to be able to market to your customers for you. And when I say we market to your customers for you, that simply means that we would send them emails, have great content, let them know about sales and promotions and collections and all the great things, because our marketing department does a great job putting together great emails. Color Me Beautiful and Floyd Roberts marketing to your customer does not mean, and nor does it exempt you and me from staying in contact. Because if you and I don't stay in contact with our customers through our conversation and our notes and emails and text messages and so forth, then we really can't claim them as our customer. So the marketing emails that the company is doing should just be a bonus for us, and not in lieu of us being in communication. All right. So as you are thinking about doing posting, first of all, for those of you that are not aware of how to get your customers on the email list, on both colormebeautiful.com and on floydroberts.com, you will see here, sign up for Color Me Beautiful emails, okay? And you simply click on that. Okay, well, something happened there, because it looks like it came up saying this site can't be reached, okay? So that needs to be reported to marketing. So I'm not sure why that's happening, but under normal circumstances, you would be able to sign up for Color Me Beautiful emails here, okay? So, but in the event that something like that happened in your world, if the person is ready to purchase and you take them to colormebeautiful.com to shop, and you register them on the website, there will be a box for you to be able to check that will put them on the list of being able to receive email. So there's more than one way to be able to do it, okay? So let's just quickly go to doing a post on from colormebeautiful.com to Facebook. You can always go to Facebook, the Color Me Beautiful Facebook page, or Floyd Roberts, and go into the photos, which we'll do that shortly as well. So there are many ways to be able to get to the end result, which is staying in communication with your social media audience, and also doing communication via emails and texts and so forth and so on. Okay, so let's just say that we wanted to post about concealing, and the corrective concealer wheel is the item that we want to be able to post and share. So you would click on the image like I just did, okay? Right click, well, let's go here and let's do right click. What you always want to look for is copy image, because if you don't see copy image, you're not going to be able to get the image in the state that it's in and then paste it somewhere else. So we're going to copy this image, and then we're going to go to Facebook. So hopefully each one of you have your own Facebook page, or your business page, or a personal page. So I'm going to go to my personal business page, and I'm going to now post about the concealer wheel. And once I do that, then we'll come back and we'll go to Color Me Beautiful, because there's, you know, like I said, there's multiple ways to get where you want to go. So we'll go to the Color Me Beautiful Facebook page, and then we'll go to the photos and pull that, because that could also be a time-saving mechanism so that you're already on the platform that you want to be able to be on. So now this is my business page. I'm going to go to Create a Post, and I'm going to Control V on my computer, which is now going to paste the image of the concealer wheel there. And then I'm going to type something like, are you having a problem with redness or sallowness on your face? Question mark. Here's the solution. C&B's Corrective Concealer Wheel. Okay, now what I neglected to do, let me go back to the concealer page, because what I want to do is now grab this URL, okay? And so I'm going to copy this URL, because I'm getting ready to now make this my link that's going to take them straight here to be able to purchase. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. You can do this a couple of ways. So let's just say that I want to do a one-stop paste. So remember, question mark, REF =, and your name as your affiliate link. So mine is Sharon Boone 1. So now all I have to do is copy this whole thing. I'm going to go back to my business page. And before I paste the link, I'm going to say C&B, sorry. My light is being a little bit messy today. Okay. All right. It's getting ready to fall. Okay. All right. Corrective Concealer Wheel. Check this out and get ready to be flawless. Okay. And now I'm going to paste Control V as in Victor. That's now my link. And I'm going to post. Okay. And it'll come up shortly. So I'm probably gonna have to scroll down. There you go, okay? So you see the link is live. So if your audience wants to go here and they click here on the link, guess where it's gonna take them? Straight to the page where the concealer wheel is, okay? So that is lesson number 1 for you. So it doesn't matter. So let's go back to my business page. I'm already here. And let's now go to the Color Me Beautiful page and look for a great image that we can pull from there. So Color Me Beautiful Cosmetics is the company page. So we're going to click here, and what you want to go to is photos. If you wanted a video and you wanted to share a video, you would click on video. So we're going to go to photos, and we have a great assortment of photos to be able to pull from, okay? And let's say well, you know, you have to make sure that you pick one that is applicable to today. You don't want to do anything that is offering a promo that's not valid today. So the earth, beauty, and all that, those are not current, so you don't want to do that. But that picture would be great. Or you can do like the seasonal picture or the blushes. So let's do this blush image. Remember, right click, copy image, and let's go back to my page. And then we're going to go here and post that image. Control V. And then you do your message for that, and then you post. If at any point you decide that you don't want this image, you just hover over the image, click the X, and voila, you are done. Okay? So that is your lesson on posting from colormebeautiful.com or FloydRoberts.com. They both work the same, and going to your Facebook page. And then you've already seen going from Facebook to Facebook, it's a lot quicker because you have less clicks that you have to deal with. Okay, so now let's go to an email that has been sent from the company to us as well as to our clients. So this email was sent on May 16th. Let's see if we can find one that is, well, let's use this as an example. Okay, so let's just say that you want to forward this whole email to your clients, okay? So you go into whatever platform you're using, you just need to go and find where you forward, you know, so here, so I'm gonna forward, it's gonna take me to a new window, and I'm going to send this now to my personal email address. Now, if you already had it, I have a separate email that I use that my customers have already gotten the customer to. So that's where I'm sending it. So I'm gonna click send. I'm just forwarding the whole email to my email. Now, if you are getting it in your email, all you have to do is forward it and then put your customers' email addresses into the BCC field, okay? So let's go to my AOL page, which is where I just forwarded that email, okay? And it should be in new mail. And I sent it to myself, there it is. All right, so there's the email, all right? So I now wanna forward it to my clients. All right, so before you do anything to this email to take all this stuff out, you've got to get it in position for it to be email. So you want to take this out because you're not sending it to Sharon. I'm not sending it. And I want to get rid of all of this. And now I am set up. Now, the other thing I want to do is get rid of this, because what I don't want to do is have the person, for whatever reason, unsubscribe and then unsubscribe me, okay? And since I'm sending this email, I want the footer really to relate back to me. I also don't want this here because I want to be able to put my information, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is now turn this into, well, let's just say that I'm gonna start over. Okay, so I'm going to do www, and you may have to go back and bold it or whatever, .FloydRoberts.com, question mark, REF, =, Sharon Boone 1, okay? Because when we are forwarding this email to other people, you want to make sure that you're directing them back to you, okay? I'm also going to get rid of that, okay? And then promo codes, that's a good message, but I'm going to also take this out, and then I will put my contact information. You know, let's just say mobile number. So you can put whatever you want in here, okay? So you now have set this email up to forward it to clients. It's a professional email. You can do what you want, you know, it's already done and set up. And now here, you know, you've got to put in a subject line. And then when you're sending to a group of customers that you already have, you click on BCC because you don't want to share everybody's email. And you should have your email addresses of your clients already set up somewhere in an Excel file or something that you can simply copy and paste. And then in the to section, you can just send it to yourself, or you can send it to undisclosed recipients, whichever one suits you best. Do a subject line, and then you're ready to go. So you've now taken an email that has been masterfully already put together. You've made some minor alterations to it, and you're now ready to go. Now let's say that you wanted to do a subset. Let's just say that you only wanted to pick up this portion of the email. You would go into your search bar, and you're gonna do a snip. Okay, so we're gonna type in SNIP, so snipping tool. That will come up, and you'll see a window, something set up over here shortly. Where did the snip go? Oh, here it is. Okay. All right, so I'm looking for the window. Okay, let me get out of this. So, because I had already, okay, so let's go do this again because I had already, okay, so we're gonna go to snipping tool. And this is what you're gonna look for. So you select new, and let's say that I only wanna pick up this right here. So I'm gonna take this, make sure that all the words in there, and now that's my snip. Okay, so I'm now going to right click, copy, then I'm gonna go back to my email, and I'm going to compose a new email. I'm gonna paste, and then I wanna center this. Now I have set up my own email with graphics that were already, that is focusing only on the before and after. And then I can put my information down here and do all these wonderful things. So that is another way for you to be able to communicate with your clients. Okay, so you know, you can take pieces of our email, and because again, it's all about staying in constant communication with your clients. If you want to text information to your client, then you're going to have to do this, what we're doing here. You would need to do it on your mobile number so you can save the image to your gallery. So if you wanted to save this image, you know, if you were on your phone, you're going to be able to do the same thing, save image, it'll go into your gallery, and then from your gallery, then you can share it and put a message in there and then text it to people as well. Okay, and so that is the other thing that you are able to do. If you wanted to take this same image and then, you know, take it and put it in a post on your Facebook, you can do that as well. So let's just go and see what that looks like. Control V, which paste, and there's the article. Okay, so I think the post kind of says it all. It tells you what it was doing. And, you know, the only thing that you're missing that I would say is you want to add maybe a picture of the product, which we could go back and pick that up as well. Okay. So let's see where that post went. That's not it. Okay, so there is that post. And then if I want to pin it to the top, you just click on there, pin to the top of the page. And now this will be the first thing that individuals will see that like my page and that are part of it. Okay, so as you can see, there are many different things that you can do to stay in communication with your client. We're going to start delving into Instagram here shortly. I just yesterday connected my business page with Instagram, and so we'll start to talk about that as we go deeper into things that we can be doing to build our business, build our audience, gain more followers, and all that kind of great stuff. So, so anyway, I hope that this workshop has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, and remember, posting every day is going to keep you and I front of mind. It's going to keep our brands front of mind for those that are watching, okay? And at all costs, stay in communication. Let our marketing department do some of the marketing for you, but we need to take responsibility for staying in communication with them personally. We are the influencer. We are the consultant. We are the person that has connected with the client. The emails are just a tool to be able to stay front of mind. Keep in mind that it takes 7 impressions before people get it. So our marketing department does a great job of doing consistent emails with different messages and different content. So allow them to do that for you. But don't let that be the end all be all of communication. It is up to us to be on the phone, to text, to email, to stay in contact so that that customer, if they need help, they call us. If they have a question, they call us. If you want to share a special promo code, you are going to be in contact with them. Okay. So the message and the order of the day is communication, consistency, and moving forward in our business. Okay. So anyway, I hope that this has been a help to you. And if you have any questions after watching this, don't hesitate to be in contact with us. Have a great day.